Hi everyone, welcome to my English class. Today I'm going to do the calculation in mathematics class, okay? And the types of the exercise behind me, it is about the open sentence in the mathematics. So what is open sentence? So when you say open sentence, is the equation with the missing number, okay? So I will explain you. So what is open sentence in mathematics? Okay. So in here I have 4 exercises: A, B, C, and D. Okay. So in this part of the exercise, this exercise is called open sentence. Okay. So when you say open sentence is the equation with the missing number, and then those missing number can replace by the letter like this, okay, by the letter, and sometimes like replaced by drawing the box or any shapes. But in this exercise, we call it for this exercise we call it the open sentence, okay, and we replace all the exercise here. We replace with the letter, okay. So in here is the open sentence exercise, and this part is about division, and this part is about multiplication, okay. So let's see together. In exercise A, that is the open sentence. So when you say the open sentence is, it means one part of the exercise is missing and replacing by a letter. So when you look at this exercise, you can see here the missing number and replaced by the letter, the value, okay. And then we have to find the value of the value. So how much is the value? Okay. So to calculate or to work out in this open sentence, this one it is about the division. So we use inverse relationship with multiplication, okay. So when division is the inversion relationship is multiplication, okay. So to find the value, what are you going to do? What are we going to do? Okay. So to find the value, because in here we use inverse relationship, so we use multiplication. So the value, okay, equals multiplication, okay. So 6 times 11, okay. So you can say 11 times by 6, okay. So we have the value is 66, okay. So here is the division in the open sentence, and then the division, the inverse relationship is multiplication. So to find the value, we have the number 6 times by 11, and then you can see here. So now we have the value is 66, okay. So when you check here, 66 divided by 6, and the result is 11, okay. So here the result of the value, okay. So look at the exercise B here. This is the open sentence, and division, the reversion relationship is multiplication, okay. So 63, it comes from what? So in the division, the inverse relationship is multiplication. So 63, we have 63. So to have 63, we use y times by 7, okay. So 7 times y, okay. So when 7 times y, we have 7y, okay, and 7y is 63, okay. So to have 1y, okay, we have 63 divided by 7. Okay, so y is, so 163 divided by 7, so y is 9. Okay, y is 9. So when you check the result here, when 63 divided by what? Okay, so we find the value of y already. Y is 9. Okay, so 63 divided by 9, that is the result is 7. Okay, so here we use in division we use multiplication rule to find the value. We have 6 times 11. To find 63, the result of the 63 because y times 7. Okay, so when you times 7, and then we have 7y. So to find hy, we use division rule. Okay, division rule. The inversion relationship, we use division. So y equal 63 divided by 7, and then you can see the result of y is 9. So when you check it, 63 divided by 9, we have 7. Okay, so look at here, we have the open sentence also, but this form is about multiplication. Okay, about the multiplication. So the inverse relationship is division. So multiplication, the inverse relationship is division. So look at here. This is 4c. Okay, 4c equals 32. Okay, so this one is the multiplication. Inverse relationship is division. Okay, so 1c, or 1c 32 divided by 4. Okay, so you have c is 8. Okay, 8. So c is 8. So when you check here, 4 times 8. Okay, 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, so here the multiplication and inverse relationship is division. Okay, and one more here, the last exercise. This one is straying a little bit from division and also multiplication here because we have the number. Okay, so to solve this, to work out with this open sentence, you look at here the missing part. So the missing part is 3x. Okay, 3x. So and here we have positive 2. Yeah, positive number 2. So to calculate it, we have to use inversion negative 2. Okay, so we have 3x plus positive 2 and negative 2. Okay, and then we have 20, because when we put negative 2 here, so you have to put negative 2 here. Okay, so now you simplify, you calculate it. So 2 is removed, and 20 minus 2 is 18. Okay, so here we have 3x is 18. Okay, 3x is 18. So this one is the multiplication. In inverse relationship is division. So to find 1x, we have 18 divided by 3. Okay, and the result is 6. Okay, so x is 6. Okay, is 6. Now if you check this one, we have x equal to 6. So we replace x here is equal 6. So you place here 6. So 3 times 6 is 18, right? So 18 plus 2 is 20.